Welcome to Understanding the Development Process, Phase 2, Reviewing and Revising Your Project. This is the second of 3 phases in the development process. In this video, you'll learn about Phase 2 of the development process, where you partner with the city to ensure your plans are compliant with applicable codes and regulations. During Phase 1, you designed your project plans, possibly consulted with engineers, and researched code requirements. After Phase 2 approval, Phase 3 involves the construction and inspections of your project. The first part of the review and revise phase is to formally submit your project to the City of Austin's Development Services Department. Many of our applications are available online. Once an application is submitted, the intake process begins. Our intake staff will review it for completeness and collect the relevant application fees. Once your application has moved through intake, it is officially in review by our staff. Check the ABC portal for updates on your project status. In the review and revise phase, your submitted plans may go through multiple levels of review according to your specific project type and scope. Required reviews may include zoning review, subdivision review, site plan review, building plan review, and permit activation. The Development Services Department has multiple teams of reviewers whose goal is to review your project according to all applicable codes to ensure safety and sustainability. Zoning review ensures that your design abides by designated zoning guidelines. If your project is not compliant with zoning guidelines, your design team can discuss options with zoning review staff for moving your project forward. Visit the following link to learn more about the city's zoning and rezoning processes. Once your plans pass zoning review, applicable projects will continue to subdivision review to ensure your project is on a legally defined portion of land that is properly connected with the surrounding parts of the city. If your project plans don't require dividing or combining plots of land, this review step is likely not required. After the legality of the land is confirmed in zoning and subdivision reviews, site plans may be required. During the site plan review process, reviewers ensure all site development standards are met. This can include reviewing the placement of the structures, parking, drainage, water quality, environmental, and utility requirements. After your site plan review, your building plans are reviewed. This is where the development staff checks to ensure your project will be safe and usable by occupants and visitors.
The team takes pride in what we do, and that is ensuring that the drawings that we get from registered design professionals, so architects and engineers, we ensure that they meet the code. Sometimes it can be seen as like being very strict with the drawings and the comments that we give out. But ultimately, what we're trying to make sure is that the buildings are safe, for the occupancy. Because even though we might have a owner or we might have only a small group of people that will be occupying a space at any given time, the idea is that they should be safe while they're in there, and also the neighboring buildings, if any, should also be safe for anything to happen within that same building. So there's a lot of things to consider when a building is being put together, and we just want to make sure that all the code requirements are met before the building is actually built.
Typically, the review-revise phase involves multiple cycles of design and plan modifications to finalize your project and meet all requirements. After your plans have successfully passed review, your approved plans will generate permits to be activated by a registered contractor or registered homeowner. Based upon the approved plans, generated permits for your project can include building, mechanical, electrical, plumbing, or irrigation permits. Once permits are issued for your project and contractors are assigned, you can move forward to the third phase of the process, which includes the construction and inspections of your project. See our video on Phase 3 to learn more about building your vision and completing inspections. At the Development Services Department, we work hard to ensure your project is completed with the highest quality and safety for the Austin community. If you have questions about our processes, you can schedule a virtual or in-person appointment with the development staff at austintexas.gov/pdc-appointments. Thank you for being a part of the Austin community and helping everyone maintain a safe and sustainable city.